These are the things you'll need if your hair is long or curly. You'll need hairspray, hair gel, a hair tie, bobby pins, and a brush or comb. The first thing I did was take a very generous amount of hair gel and smooth it through the front and back of my hair and then comb it down with a brush. Next, I tied my hair up into a very high ponytail and smoothed it down. Next, I put more hair gel on my edges to make sure that I didn't have any wispies. I twisted my ponytail and formed it into a bun on my head and pinned it as I went. I brushed back any extra wispies and then I took my hairspray and used a very generous coating of that all over my hair. Once you have no more wispies and your hair is neat, you're done!
These are the things you'll need if you have short or thin hair: a hair donut or a sock and some scissors, a comb, ponytails, some bobby pins, a brush, and some hairspray. If you're using a sock, go ahead and cut the top off the sock and make it look like a hair donut. Next, pull your hair back into a tight, high ponytail. Next, grab your hair donut or sock and put it down the middle of your ponytail. Wrap the end of the ponytail around the donut and then begin to move the donut down your hair. Next, move the hair so you're completely covering the donut. Place your ponytail around the hair bun that you just created and bobby pin the bun to the rest of your hair. Next, you're going to hairspray your hair comb and comb it through your hair, and then you're going to hairspray directly onto your hair and go back through it with the same comb. Go ahead and repeat this step until there are no wispies coming out from your hairstyle. Lastly, spray over top of your bun and make sure that also has no wispies. Once your hair looks nice and neat, you're done.
On the other hand, if you have a short hair like us, this is what you gotta do. Hat, please. Just like that. Just like that. If you have a beard, shave it now. Shave it now. Shave it now. Shave it now. Thanks for watching.